The Poo Files.
Poo Files open.
Monkeys. If you see one poking about in some poo, it's most likely they're looking for insects to eat. Make the mind picture stop!
Poo Facts.
Cowpat throwing.
It's a natural sport.
The Guinness World Record for the longest cowpat throw is 81.1 metres. Set by a dude named Steve Erner. Does the cow get a prize?
Burning the question. Which marine mammal's turd trails closed a beach in Florida in 2017? Yuck! Place your bets!
Fart facts.
Maggots, aka fly larvae. They eat rotting food and then they fart. They're no ordinary farts though. They contain antibiotic properties that fight infection. Better living, everyone.
Burning the question. Which marine mammal's turd trails closed the beach? Manatees! They left a 1.5 kilometre line of faeces on the sand. Public poo parties are not acceptable.
Oh, stink.
Righto, you've had your fun.
Poo Files closed.